Yero try. Haga nega por ngine pej katukan nega tin ka joblay. Siapang kituroy. Kidan nyot li kituroy katkum ka kitab jing penpau. Kalau nong ka pra, kalau nong ba khandai, ba terter ngila ban puli tenrei ka por kam sya ban puli lut barok. Te henrei ngine pej katukan ni kituroy. Bari thulupa haga nega tin ka joblay. Te ngine puli mentan na kalau nong ka pra juga kitab jing penpau ka dekhot ka ban riu terter. Kongkum ni. Bad kita ki nyau ki angel ki badon ye kita ki nyau ki turoy ki lia kre ye de ban pensawa ti utau baningkong ula pensawa badla jelong upria bad keding ya ke bala kle de snam bala bread ye ki halor ka khendau ti ya ke balai ka benta jonga de khendau bad ye ka balai ka benta jonga de ding la thangno Bariu pelang bajerngam baro latangno. Pikani ka jing pensawa ya ka turoy ka baningkong hagi digi sngi ka khadu. Ka tin ka joblay kong habala pen sawa ya ka turoy ka maka digi jingput. Lajelong upria bat ka ding. Kabut upria ulapan hap. Ringkat ka ding. Kabala khle bat ka snam. Badi makum katal ong la bretno halor kata ka khendau. La bretno halor kata ka khendau. Ka jing sni bat ka jingmi na kata ka jing bret iya kata ka yellow pria ka ding wala khle bat ka snam. Kan jia kumni ha ka perthai. Di ka balai ka benta jong kata ka khendau. Bat ka balai ka benta jong kita kiding la thangno. Bariu plang bajirngam baro la thangno. Hangni ka pen ke mau yenga ya kidi ki jingja ki baladap. Bat kala banang ja shushu ki bakam krau. Pi inem ke bala ja hapo California. Kabla ja kelang ka berthai ka bakading wat la habala persyang bantem ye kala ne ban penlip ye ka. Daki fire brigade daki aeroplane barathe daki dawai ban penlip ding. Henry kam lip setia. Harika ing wat ye kata ka cloud bajirngam. Wala pede kata ka cloud bajirngam rei ing be. Pi kan prisrium iya kata ka jingjia shushu lesi ye gile ki por ke benang wan. Ha ka ba nda hap uto ya ka ding bala klet ka snam ka balai benta jong ka khendau. Ba lai benta jong kita ki ding la thangno ba uplang bajirngam baro ula ingno hada ka por kani ka long kata ka jing pensawa ye kata ka turoy ka baningkong ngan pe ka turoy ka baar ne ka por baru angelo baar pensawa tikum yelo makraw yo bala thang de ka ding la bread shaka duriao ti kata ka balai benta jong kata ka duriao kala kelas 6 bat la yapno lai benta jong ita ki jing tau kiba ha kata ka duriao bat kiba don jing em bat ki bala penjot no ya ka balai benta jong kita ki jong kita ki ling
incredible wake up call.
hangni habala pensawaya turoy jong tau angel
The first happened on December 15 last year along a 30-kilometre stretch of the Darling River.
Bala kata ka por ang layo iken
Then on January 6 this year, a larger fish kill was reported.
Badai happening lumba kraw labande kunja komet labande kunja ludi duma layu kunja klur badonding
threatened species
haba lapan hap yuta
and the Murray cod.
lomba ke
Can't
baja
hide,
long
you can't deny it. This
La
is a
bread no
disaster.
shaka
It's a
taka duriao
natural disaster.
hap
It's
haga
a
duriao
national disaster.
hading katabe lai benta
The
na
Australian
kata
Academy of
duriao
Science
kala
was
kelas
asked to
6
investigate the cause of
Badam
that
dia kata
disaster.
kalau la yap no
Panel
lai
chair,
benta
Professor
na
Craig
kita
Morris,
kijing tau
and panel
kibadan
member,
haga duriao
Professor
kuma
Sue
kijing yap
Jackson,
kidok ha
travelled to Menindee to hear from locals. While there on
kibadan
February
kijing
1,
em
they saw
bala
for
penjat no
themselves
iki balai
large
benta
Murray
jong
cod
kita giling
in dire
wat kita
condition.
giling
Very
aga
moving
ya
and
taka duriao
to
ha
actually
buat
be
jaga
there
taka kijing aba kum
watching these
kata
huge cod trying to do anything they could to get out of this pool. It was terribly upsetting.
Kiling
The
kayi
expert panel
kiling
determined the
ka
immediate cause
leben
of the fish
kwai
kills
le
was
kiye kiling ba
insufficient
let
oxygen.
ma Lani
Here's how
kinu
it
kiling
unfolded.
kebaran
A
hako
layer of
kadriyaw
warm water
lai
had
benta
formed
na
over
ki
deep,
kin
colder
jot
water.
no hata kapor
The upper layer
ha
was
kabala
more
pensawa
oxygenated, largely
ya
because
kata
of
kacing
oxygen-producing
ya
blue-green
kata
algae.
turoy
Algae
kaba
flourish in
ar hagade
warm and
kapor lai
still
thorni
conditions,
but
particularly
ni
when the
iter
river
bisa
isn't
puli
flowing.
dala puli na
But
kaleng
as algae
jopi
die, they
naga
sink to the bottom,
jingpen paulo
feeding
na go pra
microorganisms
puli ka
that
togore
use
khot
up
ngala puli
dissolved
nanne
oxygen.
riu
When a
nyau
cool change hit the
pra
region, it mixed the
bahadu
smaller
kendai
top
ngala
layer
puli
with the larger
sedang
lower
biang man
body of
puli
water.
haga tayo
As that
ban wan
happened, the
kan
crucial
ngan sa kren ru
oxygen in the
ikini
top
ke benta
warm layer became
ka benta
diluted
ka ba
and was quickly
ka
used up.
saka turoi ka ba lai ka turoi ka ba sau turoi ba santer ter ngila banyak phai biang haga tayo ka ban wan but lengkot ane ka por ngan pen ko chua baru blend ker khuya pi so ba subscribe but like ru kena ba pin yo ye ki episode ki ban wan lani kita ki short clips ki ban wan hadin kani ka bagan sa kren hadeng jopi blend ker khuya pi nagam da bram ke jomblay amen